The Sony 2.1 Sound Bar HT-CT380 is a two-way, 300-watt speaker soundbar system, which comes with a 100-watt wireless subwoofer. How much is the 2.1 Soundbar HT-CT380 with wireless subwoofer? The 2.1 Soundbar HT-CT380 estimated price point is $350. There is free shipping for any Amazon product purchased over $35. Now, let us have a look at some of the main positive and negative aspects. The 2.1 channel soundbar system features Dolby TrueHD and DTS-HD master audio formats, producing high-quality sound. Its Bluetooth and NFC connectivity also allow wireless streaming of music. It doesn't hurt that it looks visually appealing, too. Here's our conclusion. For that complete and highly satisfying viewing experience, make sure you have the 2.1 Soundbar HT-CT380 with wireless subwoofer. Thanks for checking out our review. Leave your comments below and like and subscribe on YouTube. To find out more about this product, click the link below this video now.